Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. Today we're talking about the 16 best tips on how to become a sexier and more attractive man. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence or just level up your game, these tips are sure to help. Stick around till the end for more info and, as always, subscribe and turn on the bell button so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Number 1. Confidence is the key. The first and most important tip is confidence. Nothing is more attractive than a man who believes in himself. It's not about being arrogant, it's about being sure of who you are and comfortable in your own skin. People will gravitate toward that energy. Number 2. Stay groomed and fresh. A well-groomed man is always more attractive. Keep your hair neat, your beard trimmed, and always smell good. A signature scent is a huge turn-on, and it shows you take care of yourself. Number 3. Fitness equals attraction. Being physically fit is not only about looking good, but also feeling good. Regular exercise boosts your confidence, energy levels, and overall mood. Plus, it shows that you care about your health and well-being, which is incredibly appealing. Number 4. Wear clothes that fit. Fashion isn't about wearing the most expensive brands, but about wearing clothes that fit you well. Properly fitted clothes can make a world of difference in how others perceive you. Get clothes tailored if needed, and make sure they complement your body type. Number 5. Own your style. Develop a personal style that suits you. It could be casual, smart, or trendy, whatever makes you feel good. When you're confident in your style, others will take notice and be drawn to that authenticity. Number 6. Great posture says it all. Posture can completely change the way people see you. Stand up straight, keep your shoulders back, and walk confidently. It not only makes you look taller and stronger, but also more assured. Number 7. Be kind and respectful. Being sexy isn't just about your physical appearance, it's also about how you treat others. Kindness and respect go a long way in making you more attractive. Treat everyone with dignity, and people will see the beauty in your character. Number 8. Be an active listener. One of the most overlooked traits of an attractive man is the ability to listen. Pay attention to what others are saying, make eye contact, and show genuine interest. Listening shows emotional intelligence, and that's highly attractive. Number 9. Smile with confidence. A smile is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in your attractiveness arsenal. A genuine, confident smile makes you more approachable and can light up a room. Practice good oral hygiene, and don't be afraid to flash those pearly whites. Number 10. Mystery is magnetic. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep an element of mystery, and let others be curious about you. Being a little mysterious makes you more intriguing and keeps people wanting more. Number 11. Stay ambitious. Drive and ambition are highly attractive traits, whether it's in your career, personal goals, or self-development. Show that you are working towards something meaningful. A man with ambition is sexy because it shows that he's going places. Number 12. Be playful and have fun. Don't take yourself too seriously all the time. Having a playful and fun side makes you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Whether it's teasing or making jokes, being able to have fun will make others gravitate toward you. Number 13. Be well-rounded. Having a variety of interests and being well-rounded is attractive. It shows that you're curious about the world and can hold a conversation on many topics, whether it's hobbies, sports, or culture. Keep growing and exploring. Number 14. Pay attention to detail. Little things matter, whether it's grooming, how you dress, or the way you treat others. When you pay attention to the small details, people notice. From your choice of accessories to your attitude, it all contributes to your overall appeal. Number 15. Emotional availability. Being emotionally available is a game changer. Don't be afraid to open up when the time is right. A man who is emotionally aware and knows how to handle his feelings is far more attractive than someone who hides behind a tough exterior. Number 16. Always be yourself. Finally, the most important tip of all, be yourself. Authenticity is the sexiest trait you can have. When you are comfortable in your own skin, people are naturally drawn to you. Don't try to be someone you're not, and your true sex appeal will shine. And there you have it, 16 tips that will help you become a more attractive and confident man. Remember, being sexy is about much more than just looks. It's about how you carry yourself and treat others. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell button so you never miss any new videos. See you next time.